Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Bodycam Reactions. So this is another episode, which the lady she got pulled over for driving, which looks like she's under the influence. So towards the beginning of the video, I'm going to talk about some legal issues that you probably haven't seen before, or that I haven't talked about before. And towards the middle to the end, that's when you get to see the full sobriety test, which I think you guys will like. And then the police officer has like a new trick at the end as far as how they put the handcuffs on her that I haven't seen before. So you might like that too. So, all right. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Registration, please.
I have my ID at my house right across the street.
Okay, cool. Why don't you hop out for me and I'll get your information, okay?
Sir, can I just ask what did I do?
The reason I stopped you, go ahead and put the car in park for me.
Yes.
The reason I stopped you is because you kept drifting over the yellow line and the white line. How come?
I'm super sorry, sir. I'm super sorry.
No reason?
No.
Okay, not drinking or anything like that tonight?
No.
Alright, well, like I said, hop out for me and I'll get your information back here. You can leave your bag.
So just to begin, he needed reasonable suspicion to pull her over, which he had, which is facts or circumstances. In this case, how she was driving over the line back and forth to support that a crime had been committed. So, yeah. So he has that here. Basically, anytime you're kind of driving like you look like you're drunk, they can obviously pull you over to investigate if that's the case. So, yep, they have reasonable suspicion to do this investigation. Back to the video.
I'm really sorry, sir. I'm literally a minute away from the house.
Where's home?
The market.
Okay. Just come to this side. I don't want to get hit by a car, so you can lean there against the back of your car. Do you have a picture of your ID or anything?
Yes, I have a picture of my ID.
Okay.
Absolutely. I'm super sorry. Because I switched my purses today, and I literally have my ID at the house. I could show you my house,
okay,
and then give you my ID. I have it, but I literally forgot my ID tonight.
About 20 kept for you?
Sorry, sir. I don't want any problems. I know I wasn't
Tango
speeding.
424. Okay. Like I said, the reason I stopped you is you kept crossing over both the yellow and the white line. You even had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Smoking any weed? Nothing like that? All right. Okay.
I'll live right across the street.
Okay.
Honestly, they'll follow me right down the street. I'm totally fine.
Never see you done 20.
I just want to.
Years valid, nigga.
Come on. Is there anything illegal in the car you know about? No drugs, guns, nothing like that?
No, I don't have no guns.
You don't have any guns? What about drugs? I asked drugs or guns, and you said you don't have any guns.
No, I don't have any drugs.
Okay. All right. Well, here's the deal. I smell marijuana coming from the car. Okay, so I am going to search the car. All right. Is there anything you want to tell me about that I'm going to find in there?
Never see you done 20.
All right. Why don't you, actually, there's ants there. Just sit over here and have a seat for me.
Okay.
No, really.
Orange County's requesting a 44.
Can I just stand?
We're dismissing.
I'll grab you and have a seat. What was your name? Can you stand up for me? Can you, yeah.
Okay, and then as far as probable cause, so they can search the car if there's probable cause or other words or facts or evidence to support a crime was committed. So in this case, so it sounds like he thinks he smells drugs in the car. So that if you smell marijuana, smell drugs, that's facts or evidence to support that someone probably has drugs or has committed a crime. So they're allowed to search in this case. So yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll just stand out of it. Okay. So I know, I heard you went to Domino's. You had nothing to drink tonight at all, right? Okay. So there's obviously marijuana was found in the vehicle there. Okay. When was the last time you used marijuana? Just be honest with me. When did you use it last?
A week ago.
About a week ago was the last time you used cannabis? Okay. So here's the deal, right?
Medical marijuana card.
Okay.
I have it right
So what do
now.
you use? What do you use the medical marijuana for?
I just have it to just be safe for situations like this, but I made a mistake to leave it at home.
So you have a medical, but you have to go to a doctor to get one.
Yes.
For when you went, what do you say the reason was? Because it's not just because you have weed in the car. Like, that's not what they're going to give you medical marijuana.
No, I told them, like, you feel me? They ask questions and stuff like that.
Right.
And I just said that, like, I have trouble, like, sleeping at night.
Okay.
I have anxiety sometimes.
Okay. All right. So that marijuana, is that indica, sativa? Is that a hybrid? What is that?
I don't know. It's like, it's from the dispensary.
It's from the dispensary?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's my concern. Okay, your eyes are bloodshot. Okay. I know you're nervous, but you got a little bit of body tremors. Those are all consistent with somebody who's been using marijuana. I want to make sure that you're okay.
I'm absolutely
okay. Well, I want to make sure that you're okay. Do you have any problems participating in field sobriety exercises?
I mean, I just feel like you guys are talking about marijuana and stuff like that, and I'm telling you guys the truth that, like, I'm okay, positive when I'm feeling.
Okay, but I don't know that. Okay, and especially with me seeing your bloodshot eyes, your pupils are not reacting to light, plus your body tremors are all consistent with somebody.
But I haven't been trembling, though.
But you have. I can see your hands are literally shaking right now. So that's why I'm concerned.
My hands aren't shaking, though.
Okay.
Honestly,
That's why I am concerned.
But, like, my thing is, I'm not shaking, but
okay, but you are. Your hands are literally trembling, and which are why I'm concerned. Plus, your driving pattern.
Absolutely, but I live right down the street.
How far you drive.
So this is interesting. So he's kind of basically going back and forth all the things that he thinks shows that she's basically been smoking marijuana. So, and is under the influence. So, I mean, so the significance of that is really he's basically making the case of, even if you don't submit to these tests, I have probable cause or facts or evidence to support you've been smoking whatever she's been smoking. I guess marijuana is what they said. So, yeah, keep that's what, in terms of her deciding if she wants to do the test. I mean, he's basically already saying, look, I'm going to arrest you if you don't do the test. So, I mean, what can you really do if you're in her situation? So, yeah, so she's going to do the test, and we'll see how that works out for her.
It doesn't matter. What matters is whether you're on the road at all, and I want to make sure that you're safe. Okay, so, but what I'm seeing that is not showing me that. So that's why I'm asking you to participate in the standardized field sobriety exercises. Please understand, you don't have to do them. But if you decide you don't want to do them and you don't want to participate, I have to make a decision or not to charge you with DUI or not based on what I've seen so far. Okay, and their refusal not to do the exercises can be used against you later on in court.
I understand that.
Okay, so having that in mind, do you want to participate in the standardized field sobriety exercises to dispel my fear?
Okay, sure, absolutely.
Okay, so you'll participate in the exercise. Okay. All right, do me a favor, just kind of put your phone down right here for me. Okay. Come stand, face me. Put your feet together, put your arms on their side, heel to heel, toes to toes. Okay. Can you see the tip of the pen right here?
Yes.
I want you to follow the tip of the pen with your eyes only and do not move your head. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Did you ever have a head injury as a kid or anything? Concussion?
No.
Nothing? Is there any reason that your right pupil would be larger than your left?
No.
Okay. You wearing contacts right now?
Yes.
How long have you had them in?
I always wear them like year round. Like they're monthly, but sometimes I don't change them every month.
When was the last time you changed those contacts?
Probably like a month ago.
About a month ago. So we're talking like beginning of January or beginning of February?
The beginning of like January.
Beginning of January. Okay.
It's been a while.
All right.
I don't really change them that much.
Okay. What you follow is the tip of the sun of your eyes only and do not move your head. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Don't move your head. You just did. That's why I'm just reminding you, okay? You got to look right here, okay? Follow it. Don't do anything else until I tell you to.
I am.
Okay, here's the next thing's going to happen. I'm going to make 2 circles around in front of your face. I'm going to move this in towards your bridge of your nose. I'm not going to touch you. Keep looking right here where I'm clicking the pen, okay?
So just follow where my eyes are?
Follow with your eyes, right. Okay, we're going to do that again, okay? Keep looking right here. So you see this white line?
Yes.
See it's flat, level, free debris, and well lit?
Yes.
Okay, are you comfortable doing this in your shoes, or you want to take your shoes off?
I'm okay.
Okay, once you put your left foot on that line, put your right foot in front of your left with your heels touching your toes, arms down to your side. Do not move from that position until I tell you to. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
When I tell you to, you're going to take a series of 9 steps walking down the line. You're going to touch heel to toe on every step. You're going to look down at your feet. You're going to count each step out loud. And you're going to leave your arms to your side. Any questions so far? Okay, after the 9th step, you're going to turn around, and here's how you're going to do that. You're going to leave your front foot on the line. Your back foot's going to come off the line. Take a series of small steps and return down the line in the same manner. 9 heel-to-toe steps. Look down at your feet. Count each step out loud and leave your arms to your side. Once you begin walking, do not stop until you've completed everything. Do you understand?
9 there, turn around 9.
Yep, I'm going to demonstrate it for you. I want you to stay just like that. Don't move from that position. Can you see my feet? Can you see my feet? Okay, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. On the 9th step, the front foot stays on the line. Back foot comes off the line. Take a series of small steps and returns down the line in the same manner. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Do you understand those instructions? Do I need to repeat anything for you?
No.
Okay. All right. You can go ahead and begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay. Do you remember all of the instructions I gave to you?
Told me to go down 9, take many steps, and back down 9.
Okay. Do you remember about leaving your arms to your side, touching heel to toe, counting your steps out loud, all that kind of stuff? Do you feel like you completed all those, everything I asked you to do there?
I would hope so. Should
Okay.
I do it one
Nope,
more time?
that's okay. All right, here's the next thing I want to do. Feet together, arms down to your side. Heels to heels, toes to toes. I want you to listen to me very carefully, okay? In a moment, what you're going to do is raise with one leg. Either leg approximately, wait till I tell you to, okay? Raise one leg. Either leg approximately 6 inches off the ground with your foot pointed out so it's parallel to the ground. While holding that position, you're going to count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Eyes on your elevated foot, arms down to your side. If you happen to put your foot down for any reason, you're going to pick it back up and keep counting where you left off. Do you understand those instructions?
Yes.
Do I need to repeat anything for you?
Just repeat it one more time?
Sure, absolutely. In a moment, you're going to raise one leg. Either leg approximately 6 inches off the ground with your foot pointed out so it's parallel to the ground. While holding that position, you're going to count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Eyes on your elevated foot, arms down to your side. If you happen to put your foot down for any reason, you're going to pick it back up and keep counting where you left off. Do you understand those instructions? Okay. Which leg do you think you're going to raise?
My right there.
So you're going to be raising your right, standing on your left? Okay. You can go ahead and begin.
1001.
Look down at your foot.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2014, 13, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023.
You can stop. Okay. Feet together, arms down your side. Heels to heels, toes to toes. In a moment, what you're going to do is you're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes. See how my head's tilted back? Okay. My eyes are open. Your eyes are going to be closed. While holding that position, you're going to estimate, I'll tell you to start, you're going to estimate the passage of 30 seconds. When you believe 30 seconds has elapsed, you're going to tilt your head forward, open your eyes, and say stop, so I know that you're done. You understand?
I'm looking up, closing my eyes,
Yep.
count to basically
You're gonna
my 30.
Yep, and then tilt your head forward, open your eyes, and say stop, so I know that you're done. You understand those instructions?
Mm-hmm.
Good, and put your feet together, arms down your side, heels to toes. Good, tilt your head back, close your eyes. And start. Okay, how long was that?
30 seconds.
Okay, and how did you come to that?
Minus the 30.
Can you vocalize it for me real quick?
Yeah. 1, 2,
So you just count up,
3,
okay.
4.
Okay, and you say you go to right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a question, and I need no disrespect by this. I ask everybody. Do you know your left from your right? Okay. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to put your feet together, put your arms down your side, heels to heels, toes to toes. Okay? You're going to take your fingers like this. Okay, you roll them out to your side like this. There you go. Okay. In a moment, you're going to tilt your head back and close your eyes. See how my head's tilted back? My eyes are open, your eyes are going to be closed. While holding that position, I'm going to say left to right. If I say left, you're going to bring the tip of your finger up to the tip of your nose, touch it, and immediately return down to your side. If I say right, tip of the finger up, tip of your nose. Touch and immediately return on your side. For demonstration purposes, I want you to pretend that my knuckle here's my nose, okay? We're going to go tip to tip, so my nostrils will be down here. Tip to tip. Don't use the pad of your finger. Don't touch above, below, to the side, anything like that. Do you understand those instructions? Can I repeat anything for you? Okay, just tip to tip, okay? You're going to take your head back, close your eyes. Arms down fully by your side. There you go. Okay, with your fingers rolled like I told you. Okay, left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Okay, now open your eyes for me, okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right, I got one more exercise I want you to do for me, okay? Let's see. You see that tree right there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want you to face that tree.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to just scoot to the side of you there. Okay, oh, perfect. You're scoot to the side. Okay, I want you to spread your feet nice and wide. A little bit wider. Like past shoulder length. Okay. Now, here's what you're going to do, okay? You ever been skiing?
Stand?
Skiing.
No.
Okay. You ever see, like, Superman?
Yes.
Like, okay, here's what I want you to do. Put your hands out like this with your thumbs down, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to bend over at the waist, okay? Your arms are going to be back here like an airplane, and you're going to count to 30 for me when I tell you to start, okay? So you're going to put your arms back here like an airplane, bend over at the waist, right? Bend over at the waist. Good. Count to 30. Arms back like an airplane. Okay, count to 30 for me. Go ahead.
How long?
Yeah, good. Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right. At this point in time, you are under arrest for DUI. Because based on my training, knowledge, and experience as a drug recognition expert, I believe your normal faculties are impaired by a chemical or controlled substance. We certainly can. Let me just... Perfect. Would you be so kind? Thank you. So, we're going to go... Where's my car?